I love Imagine Academy. I'm truly grateful for them. They're so open. It's like a family spirit here, and it's amazing. In this chaotic world, it's something for everyone, and just to get through day-to-day life and conquer everything that you want in life. It was everything to me. It completely changed my life. I found myself, healed a lot, and yeah, now I feel like I'm living my truth. Every day, every second, I know that every decision I'm making is right because it's coming from within. I'll say definitely go for it. Everyone has something unique to gain from it. It's such a good community to be a part of, singing in the mantras and just living your life in this with more purpose. And it's such a great platform in your day-to-day life. Imagine Academy brings Kundalini Yoga to every person.